yes, Walmart has birds. You don't have to go to Petco. You can just get one at Walmart. Let's see, where's another one? Where can I find another one? Oh, that's a nest right there. Nest right there. I hear it. Maybe they're in the nest. Look at the birds. Man, they're chirping. But yeah, I found the nest. Like I said, go to your local Walmart in the garden section and you can get yourself a bird. You don't have to go to Petco, PetSmart, whatever the hell other pet stores there is. And get yourself a bird here. Alright. Where's that bird at? Where's it at? Where's it at? There it is.